I cannot wait to open these iSun metallic markers. They have dual tips. It looks like there's a brush tip and a fine tip. So let's get to it. Let's open these up. We're gonna try these on white paper and then also on, I have some black cardstock. So we're gonna try it on both. Let's see, I'm just gonna take out a handful of colors here. Ooh, these are very nice. Look at those shimmery color tops. I hope they write on the paper as well as, oh, look at that. Ooh, they write really nice. I can see that already. That was the thin tip. This one is the brush tip. Ooh, yeah, these write really nicely. These are gonna be great for sketching. Okay, that was the purple. I love this color. These colors are beautiful. They're really rich colors. I do not see a lot of metallic. And I find this often with pens. Like the colors are beautiful, but I just wouldn't necessarily call them metallic. Let's see how they write on black. Let's see. This is the orange. Okay, so they will write on black, which is nice. I like that, because a lot of pens will not write on black. Let's see. Let's try this green. Ooh, that's really nice. That's pretty. That shows up really well on black. Yeah, so these would be great for sketching on darker colors. Let's see if there is a silver or gold in here. Yeah, here's silver and gold. Oops, let's go this way. That is a little bit metallic. I would like these for like, I add details and things when I do watercolors. My granddaughter likes to sketch. Yeah, or adding details. We do painted rocks, things like that. These would be very pretty for that. I honestly don't see a lot of metallic though. Try this gold one. Ooh, now the gold one does have a little bit of a metallic to it. These are very pretty, and definitely worth the price. But I'm just not impressed with the metallic. And here are, let me dump all the colors out. Look, here's all the colors. So you do get a wide variety of colors. Lots of great colors. Pastels, fall colors, jewel tone colors. I mean, this is a really nice set.